Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss some very important topics. Rationalization of the denominator. This is important as because you have to use this in the trigonometry where the rationalization is must, you have to do. So just learn it, and this is very important for you. What is the rationalization? Rationalization means if a irrational number is given, you have to multiply with its conjugate so that it becomes a rational number. Suppose root 5. So when you multiply root 5 with root 5, it becomes 5, and which is a rational number. Cube root of 5. So you have to multiply cube root of 5 with cube root of 5 into 5, because to rationalize this we need 3 5s. So when there are 3 5s, it becomes 5 cube. So it becomes 5. So now I am discussing with some illustration. Here you see the first one, the rationalization. Rationalize the denominator in each of the following cases. Number 1, 1 by root 5, and then 1 by 5 plus root 2, then another one 2 by root 5 minus root 3, and the last one 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5. So first we discuss how to rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 5. As it is the denominator 1 by root 5 is there, and now simplest rationalizing factor of root a is root a, because root a into root a is equals to a. So rationalizing factor of root 5 is root 5, so that root 5 into root 5 equals to 5. So to rationalize, the denominator of our sum is 1 by root 5. So we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with root 5, and so we get, when you multiply with root 5 and root 5, so numerator is root 5 and root 5 into root 5 is 5, and this is a rational number. So this is the rationalization. Our next sum is 1 by 5 plus root 2. And here the denominator is of the form a plus root b. So when the denominator is of the form a plus root b, we have to multiply with its conjugate, that is a minus root 5. A minus root 5 is the conjugate of a plus root 5. Now when we multiply these two, so what happens? A plus root 5 root b, when you multiply with a minus root b, as you know, a plus b into a minus b, you can write as a square minus root b whole square. So a square minus b. So now the root is removed and it is a rational number. So now our sum is 1 by 5 plus root 2. So we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with its conjugate, that is 5 minus root 2. The numerator no change, keep it like this. And now this one, you can write 5 square minus root 2 square. And 5 square is 25, and root 2 square is 2. So it becomes 23, which is a rational number, so it is rationalized. Denominator is rationalized. Our next sum is to rationalize 2 minus 5, 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3. So here the denominator is of the form root a minus root b. So its conjugate. Conjugate of root a minus root b is root a plus root b. So now our sum is root 5 minus root 3. So we multiply. This is our sum. Now we multiply with root 5 plus root 3. And always put a bracket. Now 2. Don't multiply. No change in the numerator. Now root 5 minus root 3, root 5 plus root 3. So it becomes root 5 square minus root 3 square. So this becomes 2 root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 becomes 2 root 5 plus root 3, close the bracket, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Now we are able to cancel these two. 2 and 2 cancel. So our answer is root 5 plus root 3. Last example, we have to rationalize 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5. I think it's clear that what is the conjugate of 9 minus root 5? Conjugate of 9 minus root 5 is 9 plus 4 root 5. 9 plus 4 root 5. 9 plus 4 root 5. Now 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. 9 plus 4 root 5. Now 9 square is 81 and 4 root 5 into 4 root 5. 4 root 5 when you multiply with 4 root 5. This 4 and this 4 becomes 16. Root 5 into root 5 becomes 5. And 16 into 5 is 80. So this becomes 81 minus 80. So 9 plus 4 root 5, because 81 minus 80 becomes 1. Okay? Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.com. dot net.